What is a smart agriculture? It is a way of farming by using the new technologies which has arrived in the industrial revolution in the areas of agriculture and cattle production to increase the production quantity and quality by making the maximum use of resources and minimizing the environmental impact. Why is it necessary to use smart agriculture techniques by using Internet of Things? Actually, the main concept of the smart agriculture is by using latest technologies, we can make a good quality and the quantity of production will be increasing, and we can use maximum resources of IoT to increase the production. So now here we can see the cycle by using IoT in smart farming. In IoT, like we can use of uh, latest technologies that like we can monitor. We will be monitoring the agriculture, its production, its state, in which state the crop is right now, and what precautions that we should take by using Internet of Things to increase the production. All this will be useful in the production to increase the production. So smart agriculture is very important to increase the production quantity and the quality. And so what will be the highlighting features of the smart agriculture? It includes of the smart GPS based remote control robot to perform the tasks like weeding, spraying, moisturizing, sensing, bird and animal scaring. Like by using GPS based remote control robots, we can be performing like the weeding. By using robots, we can take out the unwanted plants like weeds, uh, all other unwanted plants from the crop in order to protect the crop from them. And spraying, yeah, spraying also is very important for the agriculture, because spraying the fertilizers will be reducing the pesticide pests from the crops and will be helping in the production of the crop. And bird and animals caring, like by using some IoT or GPS based remote control robots, will be keeping away the birds and animals from the crop in order to protect the crop from them. Even the smart agriculture includes the smart irrigation with smart controls. Like smart irrigation involves the it is as same as smart agriculture. Irrigation by using some like we will be using some latest technologies even in the irrigation, maybe for watering them, maybe for using the maybe for using the fertilizers. In different ways we will be using the IoT in order to produce the quantity with a high quantity, and the quality of the crop will be also will be very good. And it also includes the smart warehouses management, which maintains the temperature, humidity, and the theft detection in the warehouses. Next, we'll be using some hardwares and the softwares in this IoT for the smart agriculture. So some of the hardwares that we use in this IoT are the AVR microcontroller at Mega 16 by 32. Next, Zigbee module, temperature sensor, that is LM35. Next, moisture sensor, humidity sensor, obstacle sensor, Raspberry Pi. All these some of the hardware that we use in the IoT for the smart agriculture. And the software that we use are AVR Studio version 4, Proteus 8 Simulator, DipTrace, Cineprog, Raspbian operating system. All these are the some of the softwares that we used for the IoT, that is Internet of Things, for the smart agriculture. And next, we'll be seeing that working of this IoT system. So first, smart agriculture using IoT, it includes the will make sensors to monitor and track the status of the crops and insects. Will be monitoring the status of the crop, like in which state it is right now, and with what precautions or the what we should take to maintain the crop healthy. Next, drones for monitoring the livestock such as hens. Like we will be using some drones for the monitoring for the livestock such as hens. Automated water pumping systems to water the crops according to convenient time. So always will not be presenting there to water every time at needed. So we can have some automated water pumping systems that when the crop is needed, will be giving the time, some convenient times to the pumping systems. So at that time the pumping system will be watering the crop automatically. This can be the system can be working by first will be tracking and monitoring the crops and insects by the sensors, and they will be monitoring by warehouses. Next, we'll be taking some precautions. We'll be taking some robots for the service, like for watering, maybe for monitoring, for controlling, etc. All this can be worked by the internet, that is the connections will be there to control the robots in order to perform the services or tasks, and that can be installed on a app. By using that app we can be controlling the robot by using the internet. Next, by using nodes, we'll be performing some tasks like theft detection, temperature management, humidity detection, cooling the warehouses. Like by using these warehouses, we'll be performing some tasks. No, like we can manage the temperature, and we can detect how the humidity is now, and we can detect what the humidity is right now, and in which state it will be. Like we will be performing some tasks by using these warehouses. And yeah, though the agriculture uses IoT, like IoT is very much essential and useful for the agriculture. Though it is very useful, we'll be getting some criticisms and controversies of IoTs. Like scholars and social observers and pessimists have doubts about the promises of the ubiquitous computing revolution in the areas, as like in some areas or some concepts will be having some controversies and criticisms on the topic of IoT, like privacy, security, autonomy and control, social control, political manipulation, design, environmental impact, influences human moral decision making. Like though it is very useful, some will be having that they'll criticize why to use that, and something they will be criticizing the concept of IoT, and some controversies also will be there. But though it is very useful for the crop, for IoT is essential for the production improvement and improving the quality and quantity of the crop. Yeah, IoT is very much useful in the smart agriculture. And finally, So I would like to thank Imatex for making this project successful. Thank you.